Good morning, students. I hope everyone is ready to learn something new and interesting today. Yesterday we learned many important maths concepts of time, speed and work. Today, we are going to begin examples that is very useful not only for scholarship exams but also for many competitive exams. Have you ever wondered, why do more workers finish a job faster? Why does one person take more time than two people? What happens if the working hours increase? How can we solve these questions quickly using maths? Today, we will learn all these concepts in a very simple way. Don't worry if this topic looks difficult at first. By the end of today's class, you will be able to solve these questions easily. So everyone, sit properly, keep your notebook and pencil ready, and pay full attention. Let's begin with our first example. 28 workers complete one job in 6 days. How many workers are needed to complete two similar jobs in 3 days? Students, don't worry. This question is very easy. Let's understand it slowly. Imagine 28 workers are building one house. They take 6 days to finish it. Now the question changes. Instead of one house, we have two houses. So, the work becomes double. But there is one more change. Instead of 6 days, we have only 3 days. That means we have half the time. If the work is double and the time is half, we need more workers. Now use the formula. Work equals workers guna days for one job. 28 times 6 equals 168 worker days. Two jobs means 168 times 2 equals 336 worker days. Now this work must finish in 3 days. So, workers equals 336 divided by 3 equals 112. Answer, 112 workers. I hope everyone understands this explanation. Though, A completes a work in 10 days. B completes the same work in 15 days. In how many days will both finish the work together? Imagine A and B are painting a wall. A is faster, B is a little slower. Let's see how much work each does in one day. A finishes the whole work in 10 days. So, in one day, A does 1/10 of the work. B finishes the same work in 15 days. So, in one day, B does 1/15 of the work. Now they work together. So, we add their one day work. एक एक जोड़ 10 15 take the LCM of 10 and 15 equals 30. 3 2 जोड़ 3 0 3 0 5 equals 30 1 equals 6. This means together they complete 1/6 of the work every day. So, to complete one full work, they need 1 days equals 1 bhag 6 equals 6 days. Answer, 6 days. Now students, let's start with next example. Example number 3. 18 workers work 8 hours every day and finish a work in 21 days. Now 6 more workers are added and everyone works only 7 hours a day. How many days will the same work take? Students, this question has 3 things. Number of workers, hours, number of days. Remember one simple formula, work equals workers guna hours guna days. Let's find the total work first. Workers equals 18 hours equals 8 days equals 21. So, work equals 18 guna 8 guna 21 first. 18 times 8 equals 144. Then, 144 times 21 equals 3024. So the total work is 3024 worker hours. Now read the new condition. 6 workers are added. So, 18 plus 6 equals 24 workers. They work only 7 hours every day. The number of days is unknown. Let's call it D. Now write the formula again. 24 guna 7 guna D equals 3024. First, 24 times 7 equals 168. So, 168 guna D equals 3024. Now divide both sides by 168. D equals 3024 divided by 168 equals 18. Answer, 18 days. Important tip students, remember these simple rules. More workers, less days needed. More hours, less days needed. More work, more workers or more days are needed. If you remember these 3 rules, time and work questions become much easier.